Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, this is Vaishali Sonone. I am presenting a mini project on explanation of permutate or zeolite process of softening water. Guidance by Bhagat Madam. Subject Applied Science and roll number 67. What is the softening of water? Water softening, the process of removing the dissolved calcium and magnesium salt that cause hardness in water. Unlike hard water, softened water will not form insoluble scale or precipitate in pipe and tank or interact with the cleaners such as soap. Let's study some process of softening water. Permitite, zeolite. Zeolite process of softening water. Zeolite is hydrated sodium aluminum silicate. Zeolite are also known as permitites. Zeolite is capable of exchanging reversible its sodium ion for hardness and processing ion in water. Zeolite working for the softening water. For, for softening of water by zeolite process, hard water is percolated at the specified rate through a bed of zeolite kept in the cylinder. In a cylinder, the hardness causing are the retained by zeolite as while the outgoing water contains sodium salt. This is zeolite process diagram. Permitite process for the softening water. Permitite in an participle zeolite. Chemically, it is hydrated sodium aluminum orthosilicate with the formula. Permitite working for the softening water. A tall cylinder is loosely filled with the lump of the permitite. When hard water containing calcium and magnesium ion percolated through these lumps, ion exchange. Sodium permitite is the slowly changed into the calcium and magnesium permitite, and the water became soft with the removal of calcium and magnesium ion. When no longer active, permitite is the resisted by running contained solution of brine over it and removing the calcium and chlorine formed by repeated washing. Permitite process diagram. Hard water is made to rise up through the various layers. As water passes through the permitite, the ion of calcium and magnesium, which causes hardness, are exchanged with the sodium ion of the permitite. Due to this exchange, the sodium ion of the permitite is changed eventually into the calcium aluminum silicate and magnesium aluminum silicate. These are called calcium.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.